Namaste Sada Vatsale Matrabhumi. In December 2020, senior Congress leader and known advocate Kapil Sibal had told the Supreme Court that WhatsApp data cannot be hacked by Israeli spyware Pegasus. The issue of hacking by Pegasus has once again cropped up, and it is surprising that mobile and other internet related companies are keeping mum and tolerating the invectives hurled by liberals at their products, that claiming that their data on mobile phones is prone to hacking by a spyware like Pegasus. These internet companies and mobile companies must come clear on their products whether it is safe from hacking. If not, they will lose the faith of the people. On the other hand, NSO should put their foot firmly on the ground and file a lawsuit against The Wire for slander, which had published the names of some journalists and opposition leaders whose mobile phones they claim were snooped by Pegasus, bereft of facts or any proof. The Wire report itself mentioned that the presence of a phone number in the list published does not amount to snooping, because it is not possible to conclusively state that a phone is tapped without subjecting a phone to technical analysis. Therefore, the whole cry over snooping by Narendra Modi government is bogus, and it is a foolish step taken by the Congress to go on protest on this fake issue, because in a way they are endorsing that their leaders were involved in crime and terror acts. Isn't it a crime, or on a serious note, an act of sedition, that their Pangu leader clandestinely met our enemy officials during the Doklam face-off with China? Isn't it a seditious act that a political party signed an MOU with the Chinese government? I do not understand who is advising the Congress. Going on protest against fake Pegasus Snoopgate will further erode people's faith in the party. Bhai! After all, Rahul Gandhi is Rahul Gandhi. Who will tell him this protest is a Pangu idea? Our eyes are set on this issue. फिर मिलेंगे. जय हिंद. वंदे मातरम.